Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Newport Richey down at Golf Harbors, and we are going to fix this garage floor finally. The homeowner recently just put some money into it, putting this coating on it. As you can see though, it's just, I don't know what it is, to be honest with you, but it's not going to solve his problem. His problem is that he has effervescence, etc. coming up. It's pretty common in Golf Harbors. The slabs can be very temperamental down here, to say the least. So our first order of business is going to be to remove this coating, get back down to the concrete, cut that cap off, get in there and make these repairs. A lot of crack repairs that you can see that need to be fixed properly. You just don't throw coating on top of cracks and hope that does the trick, because it won't. As you can see how rough the floor looks like, just because, you know, there's no real prep that goes into when you're just going to throw a coating on it. So we're going to get into this floor. We're going to do a really good cut, remove as much material as possible, and we're going to do something with the apron, but we won't know until we get the floor cut exactly how we're going to handle the apron. But that's definitely going to be addressed as well. I'll probably leave the floor height, drop the apron, and try to grade it into the driveway so water doesn't come up into the garage. So we got our work cut out for us today, so we're going to get started in just a few minutes. Okay, just a quick segment to show our progress. So our grind, prep, and repairs are done. A lot of grinding on this floor to take off a lot of extra material. But we got our patches in, we got our cracks filled, a lot of divots. Well, you can see we have everything all prepped up, our baseboards. And we worked out the apron the best possible way, and that was to keep the inside edge higher than the outside edge. We sort of built in a grade, so when the water hits the door, it's going to run down and out. Now this keyway where the rail is actually in the wrong spot, and they put the keyway there, which really doesn't do anything. But I think this is going to save them a lot of problems. And we're getting our epoxy prepped up. So we're going to put this floor in just a few minutes. We just finished up this 2-car garage with baseboards. Also applied a moisture vapor barrier and did repairs to the apron, because they were having moisture issues. We're in Golf Harbors, and it's quite common for people to have issues with their slab, and they did have an issue previously. They had somebody put a coating on here that didn't do the trick, and what we did was, with the grinding, really opened up the concrete and got it to accept the NVB, and I do not anticipate them ever having a problem with this floor again. And that's due to the two things, both the grinding removed a lot of material off here, a lot of bad material, and I think they're going to be fine. So we did recondition their apron. It's really weird the way this garage breaks out. It shouldn't be like this, but it is. So we kind of lowered their apron somewhat, a little bit, to get them a grade up into the garage. It's more level with the driveway itself now. This color is Coyote. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.